Wiser versus Headway versus Blinkist. Let's get started. So Wiser is a mobile-first 15-minute book summary app with daily challenges, interactive cards, and visually clean UI, which is ideal for busy readers. It offers a clean UI with challenges and daily goals. It has a high App Store rating, which is 4.8 stars, praised as a fantastic time saver. The only downside is it has some reports of crashes and account billing bugs. It also has a smaller library and limited customer support. Headway, on the other hand, offers gamified learning with flashcards, daily goals, streaks, and interactive visual across 1,600 titles, approximately. It offers engaging gamifications, which are quizzes, spaced repetitions, and some widgets. It also offers effective visual learning aids and daily insights. Let's check out here. And it has really cool UI. The only downside is it also has a smaller library compared to Blinkist, and they also have a numerous user complaints about unwanted auto renewals and billing issues, and the AI audio narration quality is often criticized. Now, lastly, we have is Blinkist. Blinkist is a pioneer in book summaries with over approximately 7,500 professional summaries, which are called blinks in audio or text, plus features like shortcuts and sharing spaces. Now, it offers a massive library with professionally curated audio and text summaries. It has an excellent audio quality and academic style summaries, but the downside is some find summaries shallow or missing nuance or depth, and the per month cost is higher, which is approximately $99 annually. So choose Wiser if you want a clean, goal-driven summary app, and go for Headway if you want a gamified learning and flashcard, and choose Blinkist if you want the most comprehensive content and best audio quality.